some real-world applications of fuzzy logic. Industrial control systems, for example, washing machines. That's just a basic example. That would be taken as an that would take as a parameter the dirt level, load size, fabric type, etc. And it will output what is the best or the optimal wash cycle that should be done. Or another example, another application would be artificial intelligence and machine learning using neural networks. In self-driving cars, fuzzy logic is integrated with neural networks to make decisions in uncertain environments. For example, when approaching an intersection, a fuzzy system considers factors like distance to the traffic light and speed to decide whether to slow down, stop, or continue. Another example would be the medical diagnosis system. We already saw this with the risk disease, for example, or the mild fever, or the moderated pain of the patient. We can output a diagnosis of this patient, knowing the exact, for example, disease, or knowing the risk of, for example, fever, based on some certain inputs. And another thing, and most importantly for our channel, would be the robotic and automation. An example would be humanoid robots. But fuzzy logic is widely used in these robots because they are social robots that deals with humans, with, for example, the facial expressions or the gesture or the terms used by these humans. This makes interactions more natural and adaptive. We can adapt very quickly with the fuzzy logic system, improving communication between humans and machine. Some future trends: the integration of fuzzy logic with quantum computing could revolutionize problem solving, because the weak part about the fuzzy inference system is how complex it could get with more parameters and with more rules. It can be very complex, just taking some parameters in consideration. So this could be very good if we integrate it in computing or in quantum computing. Additional hybrid AI models combining fuzzy logic with neural networks and deep learning are improving adaptive systems in areas like autonomous driving, healthcare, and smart automation.
أخيرا وختاما أريد أن أبلغكم بشعار قناة روبوت إكس أند مور من أجل جيل هندسي مبدع. For a genius engineering generation. إلى هنا أقول لكم أعانكم الله.